the break command will let you break an object at a specific location. So I have this line string or this CAD polyline, and I want to break it where it crosses this building line. So by selecting the line, you can simply right click and choose the break line command from the context menu, or from the CAD tab you can go to the break command under the edit panel. I like to right click, so I'm going to click the break line here, and then you're going to see that it brings up like a glyph that you can move along that line and choose where you want to break it. And it's asking you basically the distance along the line to break. Now you can also right click if you want to break it at a certain spot and use one of these snap options. So there is an option here called station at crossing line, and you just simply pick the line that crosses the line you want to break it at, and you'll see that it populates the distance. And then you just click the break, and you'll see that it breaks that line at that location. Now we'll select the other portion of the line, and if you want to continue, you can just tab down to the distance along, or select in the edit, the line string edit panel, and pick the other line, the one that you actually do want to break, and repeat the process at crossing, where I can pick this point here and then hit break. Now you can just break it anywhere along that line just by clicking, and you'll see that it'll break it. So again, if you use a snap, you have to hit the break command or button. If you just pick, it will actually break it. Now you can edit it, delete it, do what you need to do to this line.